Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video let me show you how to contact your GCash Live customer support via text and call.
Hello everyone, so you want to reach your GCash live support. So to reach that is you want to go and search in GCash live support, and this one, the first one that will appear, you want to press on that, and then it will show you their help center or hotline numbers. So here is for Globe and TM mobile subscribers. You also have for Globe landline subscribers, and then for all network. So that's it. For text support, GCash no longer offer direct SMS replies, but you can still get help by messaging them through the GCash Help Center in app or via the official GCash Messenger app, where a live agent can take over after the bot. So after you have dialed this number right here, you must follow the voice prompts to connect with a live agent for account or transaction concerns. Always have your GCash register number ready, and then transaction reference, and also your valid ID, so that they